Welcome to Everyday English. What is an auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are commonly used in English to support the main verb in a sentence. They are used to convey various shades of meaning, including tense, mood, aspect, and more. Auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs. I am studying for my exams. I am studying for my exams. I am excited about the upcoming trip. I am excited about the upcoming trip. May I borrow your book? May I borrow your book? It may rain later, so bring an umbrella. It may rain later, so bring an umbrella. Will. I will meet you at the cafe. I will meet you at the cafe. They will arrive in an hour. They will arrive in an hour. We are staying at our uncle's. We are staying at our uncle's. You and he are both very kind. You and he are both very kind. Were. They were at the park yesterday. They were at the park yesterday. His eyes were full of fire. His eyes were full of fire. Could. I could play the piano when I was younger. I could play the piano when I was younger. Could you pass me the salt, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? Might. It might snow this weekend. It might snow this weekend. She might attend the conference. She might attend the conference. Been. We have been very busy these days. We have been very busy these days. She has been to Paris several times. She has been to Paris several times. Do. I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day. I need to do my homework after school. I need to do my homework after school. Would. I would love to go on vacation. I would love to go on vacation. If I were you, I would reconsider. If I were you, I would reconsider. Should. You should apologize for your mistake. You should apologize for your mistake. We shouldn't waste time. We shouldn't waste time. Can. She can speak multiple languages fluently. She can speak multiple languages fluently. He can't attend the meeting tomorrow. He can't attend the meeting tomorrow. Has. She has a beautiful singing voice. She has a beautiful singing voice. The company has recently launched a new product. The company has recently launched a new product. Is. She is a talented musician. She is a talented musician. My cat is very playful and loves chasing toys. My cat is very playful and loves chasing toys. Does. Why does this computer keep crashing? Why does this computer keep crashing? She does her homework diligently every evening. She does her homework diligently every evening. Had. He had already left when I arrived. He had already left when I arrived. I had never tasted such delicious food before that trip. I had never tasted such delicious food before that trip. Shall I help you with your bags? Shall I help you with your bags? I shall meet you at the airport at 3 p.m. tomorrow. I shall meet you at the airport at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Being. I enjoy being outdoors in the sunshine. I enjoy being outdoors in the sunshine. He is not used to being alone. He is not used to being alone. Must. I must finish this report by tomorrow. I must finish this report by tomorrow. You must not smoke in this area. You must not smoke in this area. Have. I have a new car. I have a new car. We have an important meeting tomorrow. We have an important meeting tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.